Hi everyone. We're gonna cut 4.5 strings of this, one string and half string of the yellow, and well, 3 strings of the pink, and start. So I've made the green one long enough for my loop, and I'm just going to make backward forward knots until until I'm satisfied with the length. So I'm gonna make 2, which is my second one I'm currently on, and then I will show you my finished products. Or well, my finished loop in that case. Okay, I'm done now. I'm not going to make my, is it square or box knot? This part I cannot explain. So it's just like we're going to make a 4. We'll take the one on the left and put it over the other string. Then we'll take the one on the right, pass it over the one there and under the other bunches of string, and pull through in the 2 different directions. Pull both strings in, well, 2 different directions. And then repeat it with the left one over the string, sorry, the right one over the string. Make sure you use the same one. And then this left goes under, and then you pull. Make sure to remove all the string that will try to stick out. This is a Kumihimo dick. You can either make one or buy one. I bought mine from Wish, but I have a link in the description if you would like to buy it from Amazon. Now we are going to get started with, well, putting our string on our disc. We're going to be using the image on the left. We're going to be leaving 2 spaces in between each, and because Kumihimos are done in 2, so you definitely see me putting 2s. You on the string you see 2 blue colors, 2 pink colors, 2 yellow and one yellow, one pink. They're well in doubles. Hi everyone, I'm Wando from Sam Josiah. I make tutorials on how to make friendship bracelets and kumihimos and other crafts. Now we are ready to get our bracelet started. So we're going to take 2, move it all the way down to 16. Keep making sure we keep our middle strings in the middle. Take 18 up to 32. Then turn anti-clockwise. Take 6 down to 20 and take 22 up to, is that 4? I'm not sure. Take 10 down to 24 and take 26 up to 8. Turn anti-clockwise, take 14 down to 28 and take 30 up to 12. Turn. Now we'll take 17 down to 31 and take 1 up to 15. Then turn. Take 20 down to 3 and take 5 up to 19. Now throughout this course of this making a kumihimo, we're just going to take what's on the top right all the way down and take what's on the lower left all the way up. And I will do a few more rows and then I will speed it up to show I can show you how to finish this particular bracelet. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and show you how my back looks for how many rows I've currently done. There you can see the little flowers of started showing. I think I already have like 2 or 3 done and like round braid. There, let me tap it again. Yes, I think you can see it much better now. I think it's coming out well, but I think my background string is a little too thick, so I should have used a lighter string instead, but no problems. Now I'm going to show you how to end this particular bracelet or any kind of kumihimo ties if you want to. So I'm going to pinch the end there so that it doesn't unravel, and I'm going to gently remove all my string from the disc. After removing the string from the disc, we're going to make a box slash square knot. I still don't know the name, but we're going to tip it down and then we're going to make that. I'm taping my Kumihimos down for the first time, so bear with me if I do not, or if it comes loose throughout this tutorial. Now that we've selected 2 strings from each side, we're going to proceed to make box knots with it. So remember, you take the left one and put it over the other string, take the right one, pass it over the left one and under the rest of the string through that other loop and pull it out. I feel like my explanation made no sense, but I hope you understood what I was trying to say. We're going to repeat this same step, but we're starting with the one on the right instead, which will be the same string. You don't have to make this particular knot very tight, because if it's very tight it will look funny. Just make it tight enough. Then divide your strings into 2. So I have 4 blue on one side and 3 pink with 1 blue on the other for my first tie. So just twist it in the opposite direction, then put it over each other, like how I'm trying to show you. Just twist and then turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, until when you get to your, well, desired length. On the other side I did same thing. I have 4 strings and then 1 yellow and 3 pink, or 4 strings of blue. And now I'm just going to pull it to make sure they're the same length. My strings, weird enough, are hardly ever the same length. One is always slightly longer or shorter, like I showed you here. Well, that is all for today. I have another tutorial coming up that's going to be Kumihimo. I'll link that in the description. That will be Cupcake Kumihimo. But I have other Kumihimo tutorials. One will suddenly pop on the screen. Have a nice day and, well, bye.